This is an exponential equation. 2 to the power 3x minus 1 equals 128 root 2. So always, to solve exponential equations, you have to make sure the bases are the same. And if you get the bases to be the same, then you can equate the exponent. So our clue here is, we can see 2 is over here. So we have to find a way to convert this to 2 to the power something. Oh, okay, 128 is over here. And we know 2 to the power 7 is 128. Oh, and what about this? Square root of 2. Oh, square root of 2 can be written as 2 to the power half, because any number raised to the power half is square root of that number. Oh, okay, then this becomes 2 raised to the power 3 minus x equals, now 128 becomes 2 to the power 7. Now don't forget that this and this, they are multiplying. 128 times square root of 2. So it's going to be 2 to the power 7 times 2 to the power half. Okay, so now that I have it this way, we can simplify it. 2 to the power 3x minus 1 equals, now this and this are multiplying. Do you remember that according to the first law of indices, when you have a to the power m times a to the power n, you are going to have m plus n, right? Because if they are multiplying, the bases are the same, you have to add the exponents. Very good. So now we have to add the exponent here. So you're going to have 2 to the power 7 plus half. And then this will become 2 to the power 3x minus 1 equals, now 2 to the power 7 plus half is the same as 2 raised to the power 7 and half. Okay, now that we've gotten the bases to be the same, we can now equate the exponents. Okay, so equating the exponents, we are going to have 3x minus 1 equal to 7 and half. Now this becomes a simple linear equation. Now this mixed numbers, so we have to change it to improper fraction. So you're going to have 3x minus 1 equals 2, 7, 14, 15 over 2. Okay, good. Now to simplify things, I think we have to multiply through by 2, right? So you're going to have 2 into bracket 3x minus 1 equals 15 over 2 times 2. So simplifying, going to get 2 into bracket 3x minus 1 equal to 15. And that will be 6x minus 2 equals 15. So 6x equals 15 plus 2. So you're going to have 6x equals 17. So x will be 17 over 6. So the value of x in this exponential equation is 17 on 6. So yeah, that's it. So if you enjoy videos like this, please leave a like, smash the like button, and subscribe for more videos like this. It's going to help me, encourage me, continue making contents like this. So yeah, thank you for watching.